Good morning everybody. It's 5:15 in the morning and I'm out on another wild camp with my mate Dave from the Iceni Velo. We're up at Ringsted Down, which is in the northwest corner of Norfolk, not too far from the village of Docking. Out in my one Tigris tent, and I've got my bike and Dave's bike in the tent with me. On this trip I've got a new stove to show you. It's this one here. It's bigger than my normal bike packing stove. Let's see how we get on with it. It's quite a bit bigger than my other one. It looks quite robust. It's got these 3 arms that pull out and a flexible lead. Anyway, let's get on with it. It's a blustery old morning. You can hear the wind up in the trees, and I can see the rain droplets on the outside of the tent.
Actually, that is one of the issues of choosing your handlebar bag.
Yeah.
What you use it for.
This is the 9 litre bag. They do a 15 litre as well.
Yeah.
So, which will probably be
slightly bigger diameter.
The trouble is with drop handlebars, you've got to get them dead centre, otherwise your shifters don't work. You can't foul the shifters, but yeah. Alright, it's all done. This way you'll learn some new swear words. Juggling act.
Yeah, I think one of the issues with this tent is that it doesn't have a ground sheet. It's been designed like that because you're going to have a fire and a stove in here, and you don't want it burning the floor. So you do need to bring another additional ground sheet. So I've got this blue £1 ground sheet from Poundland, and I also bought the bivvy bag just to make sure I had got protection from the ground. This bivvy bag comes from Mountain Warehouses. It's pretty good, nice and lightweight and small, packs down to that. I think that's about £20.
Thought it might be worth a couple of seconds just having a look at a real life kit list for bike packing. Basically everything that I've got that I was using is out on this blue tarp here. So to start off with, just here I've got my one Tigris tent with the poles and pegs. Here are my spare clothes. I just bought a thermal vest, change of underwear, socks, and some long leggings, but I didn't actually end up wearing those. Got my waterproof jacket here. Then I've got my drone, my camera gear with my GoPro, it goes in my little bum bag. Got my other spectacles for riding. Got my water bottle, my bivvy bag, my sleeping bag, my sleep mat, a pair of flip-flops. This is my possibles pouch, so in here I've got all things like toiletries, first aid kit, spare pen knife bits and pieces, and then my cooking equipment. Got a little Thomas Shoe cook pot and windshield, and that's the new stove that I showed you. So there we are. So that's more or less my complete kit list that I'm using. So it's fairly minimalist. It's only a one night stop, and that all fits on my bike. I'll show you very briefly where they go, and let's have a quick look at Dave's kit, shall we?
Right, Dave, you all packed?
Yeah.
Can we have a quick look at your kit, please?
Certainly.
Very neat.
Look at that.
Yeah.
10. Pillow. Don't leave home without the pillow. Towel. Thermal vest. A few other bits and bobs. New sleeping mat. 3/4 length. Get on really well with that. That's it. Very light. The rest of the bits and bobs are already on the bag, but sleeping bag is on the front of the handlebar roll, and kind of caught me midway through chucking stuff in.
That's it.
Another essential anchor power bank. Absolutely brilliant piece of kit. Great bit of kit that'll keep a GoPro and my phone and my light charged up for probably 3 or 4 days. About 20, 30 quid.
And you say you got some kit already set on here? So what you got? Sleeping bag.
Sleeping bag, waterproof jacket, little bit of food and cooking stuff in the front. In the front.
The other panniers obviously on the side of the bench.
Just essential day-to-day stuff in there.
Yeah.
So there's gels. And
bike repair kit. What about that?
that's all in here.
That's all in there.
That's all in there. That's basically in the tube, tyre levers, multi-tool that comes in two. That's a Topeak Alien. My wife bought me that for Christmas a couple of years ago, and that has got me out of the brown stuff several times. You could strip an Aston Martin down with that single-handedly. Great bit of kit. It's heavy, but it does the job.
Yeah.
Chain link splitter, knife, which we've already had to use today, various hex keys.
Excellent. Thanks very much, Dave.
No worries.
Cheers.
The good stuffs.
This is how we put it on our bikes. I've got the pod sack system on the front forks, same as Dave. I've got my handlebar roll bag, which is where I put my sleeping gear. I've got a full frame bag here, and that's really primarily for the cameras, my camera gear. And I've got the saddle bag for my tent. So there you are, never mind these theoretical kit lists, that's a practical kit list, using the gear for real. So now we're going to head off to Snettisham and have a look at the RSPB site there.